Hi guys! I just wanted to do a quick review video on these Kemyr brush acrylic markers. I got them from Amazon, and I'll put an affiliate link down in the description if you're interested in them. But I have been blown away by these. These are actually really great pens. I use them for several different things. Right now I just had shoulder surgery, so I haven't been able to color or create very much lately because I'm in a fair bit of pain. But earlier I used them to do shrinky dinks. So I made this little cat, and I also had my daughter do a shrinky dink, and she made this absolutely adorable little astronaut dog. And I also colored 3D figures with them. So I have a 3D printer, and then I print the figures and I color them with these markers, and this one was done exclusively with those markers, and it turned out so good. So I just want to show you there's 72 colors in this set. They come like this in a nice case, and everything's, you know, organized by color. And I'll show you, they come with a brush tip, which is really nice. And they come with a nib tip, a fine liner tip, which is handy. I'll give you a little demonstration with them. So the nice thing about them is that they dry really quickly, and they actually layer really well. Okay, so this is just, I don't think they have colors. They don't have color names on them, but they, so this is the brush nib, and I'll just zoom in here. And they go on really nice and smooth, and they dry really fast. So I've had other pens that are streaky and like, they just take forever to dry. And what's nice about these ones is that they are matte. They aren't shiny. Shiny has their place, but I prefer having a matte pen. I use shiny if I'm doing something that, you know, needs to look wet, but I prefer the matte look. So that's the red, and then I'll take this like blush pink. They have these really nice colors too, and I'll go over top of it, and you can see that it layers really well. I mean, those colors were pretty close together, but it's already basically dry. I'll try they have like gold and silver. I'll show you the gold and silver. So the gold is gorgeous. Look at that. For doing figures and details in your coloring books, it's very, very nice. They are so smooth. Both ends work beautifully. I've had no clogging issues. And I am just thoroughly impressed with these markers. So, if you're in the market for some markers, I would definitely recommend these. Kemyr brush tip acrylic markers from Amazon. Give them a look, and thanks for watching.